Hey guys, this is Wendy. So welcome to my studio. I'm going to show you today how I get started on a background or even an abstract. I start pretty much all my paintings with this process. So hope you enjoy what I'm going to do. So now I've showed you how to build kind of the first maybe 2 layers of this painting. Some of the products I use here were, can't even see the label anymore, but golden fluid acrylics. I used a couple different brands, but acrylic inks. And I use Caran d'Anache. I'm not sure exactly how you call Caran d'Ache, I think it's called. And these are the Neo Color 2 aqua water-soluble wax pastel or wax crayons. I also use some 2 different brands, but these art crayons, they're water-soluble as well. And so lots of water, and I like to use my fingers. Sometimes I use brushes, and so that's how I build kind of my first layers a lot of times. I do use other things, but in this particular painting, that's what I did. So hope you enjoyed watching my process.